myself Shravanti. Welcome to today's science class. In your science book, you are having the first chapter crop production and management. In this, we will going to learn what is crop, how to produce the crop, and how to store it and how to harvest it. That is comes under management. Okay. And first, what is a crop? If you will go and see the village side, you will see greenery there everywhere. But in between the greenery, there is a mud rows. What it means? Because they are separating the areas. They are separating the land. Okay. See here, crop means a large area which is having same type of plants. A large area which is having same type of plant, that is field. Okay. Whatever the plants producing inside this, that are crop. Okay. And next, see here I drawn different types of instruments which are using in the agriculture, and so many are there. Okay. So many are there. In this I drawn only 3 here. They are, this is khurpi, this is sickle, and this is plough. And hoe, everything is there that are there in your book. Okay. And see, and the next, have you understood what is a crop? Crop means plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale is called crop. Okay. And there are 3 different types of crops are there in India. There are 3 different types of crops which is grown depending on the season. First one is kharif crop. This grows in rainy season. Rabi, which grows in winter season. Only these two types of crops are there. And nowadays in summer also people are developing growing the vegetables. Okay, which we are calling that as zaid crop. Okay. So only 2 crops you are having in your syllabus, that is kharif and rabi, but in summer also zaid crops they used to grow. Okay. And how to grow the crop? To grow a crop, you need to know some techniques that are known as agriculture practice. Okay. There is few steps in this. If you will follow all these steps, you can grow a good crop. You will get a good yield. Okay. What are they? First one is preparation of soil, and second one is sowing, and third one is adding manure and fertilizers, fourth irrigation, fifth protecting from weeds, sixth harvesting, and last 7th one is storage. Okay. Here in this first one is preparation of soil. First we have to prepare the soil to grow the crop. Okay. So in this first we will loosen the soil. For that we will use few instruments. Okay. Agricultural implements. First one is plough and hoe and cultivator. Plough means this is very ancient. In olden days people use this implement. Okay, this one only. For this it need 2 animals and 1 person who used to catch back. Okay, they used to tie 2 bulls and other different animals also they use in different areas, camels, buffaloes. Okay, they will tie the 2 buffaloes to this rod here, and 1 person used to hold here, and they will plough the field. They will loosen the soil. And next, in this they can use hoe also. Hoe is also an instrument which looks like this only, but here a thick iron rod like this it will present. Okay, this is also, this also they use the animals to drag. And the next one is hoe over, and next one is cultivator. Nowadays cultivator, most of the people are using cultivators because it decreases the time utilization and it decreases the manpower also. Okay, and it increases the capacity to that is plow, hoe and cultivator. Cultivator mainly it is used to loosen the soil and it helps in the break down big crumbs of the soil and it levels the soil also. Three types we can use the cultivator. And next, second one is sowing the soil. Sowing the soil means first before going to sow the soil you have to select the good seeds and then only you have to sow, which gives a good yield for the people. Okay, and remaining points we will discuss in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.